Good morning, children. I am Abhirami, your teacher. Okay, today what we are going to do, we are going to do some activities. Look here what I have for you. I went around the house, collected some caps, bottle caps, okay? You remember last time we read about big and small? We are going to do activity on this. See, there are many bottle caps here. Yes, children, can you see? Now I have two trays, a small one and a big one. Now I'm going to look into this, take the small caps and put it in the small tray. Take the big caps, put it in the big tray. Will you help me out? Come on, I will take care. You will tell me and I will put it into the respective trays. Okay, children? Okay. Small one. This big. This big one. Small cap. This is a big cap, right? Very good. Now tell me, this is a small cap. Put it in the small one. Big. Small. And this. Yeah, big one only. Yeah, right. You're right. Put it in the big tray. And this is also big. Put it in the big tray. Small one. Small one. Yeah, this is also small, right, children? Small tray. Small tray. Small tray. Look, we have sorted out the big in the big tray, the small one in the small tray. Very good. I have one more interesting activity for you. Okay? I will be doing this activity now. I want you also to do it in your home. Okay? You should send me a picture of it. Here. Can you see, children? I have two papers in my hands. This is a small paper and this is a big paper. See what I'm going to do. I take the small paper, crush. Use both your hands, press it. Up. Yeah, come on. Crush it. Yeah, what is this? I made it into a ball. Yes. Now I take this big paper. Crumple it, crush it. Yes. So use both the hands, press nicely. Press. Yes. Crush it nicely. Okay, children. See? What is this again? Yeah. Can you see? This is also a ball. I made it with the big paper. And this I made it with the small paper. See the difference? Small ball, big ball. Small, big. Can you do this? So can you have it in your hands like this and say small and big? Can you send a picture? Yes, I know you will do it, children. Right. All of you have Play-Doh at home? Yes, children, you have Play-Doh. If you have Play-Doh, you can do it with the Play-Doh. Or else your mommy makes rotis, right? Yummy rotis. Yeah, the wheat flour. You can also try it with that. Okay, see? I took it in my hand. Roll it. I take a small one. Okay? Then the big one I have in my hands. Come on. Roll it. Yeah, I leave it here. And with the small one, roll it. Yeah, a small ball. And here I have a big ball. Can you see, children? A small one and a big one. Can you make this too? Yeah. So what happens when you do these activities, children? Yes. You can ask your mommy to give this flower, or you can also do it with the Play-Doh. When you use this, your hands, your fingers, muscles gets easy. It becomes easy for you to write. Your pincer grips are ready to write. You want to color, you want to draw, you want to write. So if you do these activities, your pincer grips get fine, and it is easy also to do it at home. Dear parents, I want you to do an activity. Give Play-Doh for the kids. Make them to do different toys or different shapes with the Play-Doh. Okay, playing with this Play-Doh increases the creativity, the imagination of the kids. So they become prepared mentally as well as physically for writing. Okay, not only that, we are making them to concentrate, sit in a place and do. So we are preparing them to sit and listen for the classes. Okay, so I want all of you to do this balls and send me a pic, children. Will you all do it? You all like the activity of today? Thank you, children. See you again.